In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send gifts in Pet Simulator 99. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily send gifts to anyone in Pet Simulator 99. You will be able to send any pets or any items that you have on you. So to do this, you need to find a mailbox. The quickest one is going to be on the spawn, so you turn to the left, you go towards the index, and you will find it here. Mailbox. Send and receive gifts. You can also find the mailbox in other locations, but as I've said before, I believe this is the quickest one to access. So when you go over to the mailbox and you walk towards it like this, you will get this pop-up. So you will have four main options: send, gift, history, and settings. Make sure that it is enabled. You can set it to friends only if you don't want to accidentally send it to random people. Huge only, require pet, require diamonds, and you can do some item properties here if you only want to send specific ones or receive specific ones. Now, to actually send gifts here, you choose the send option and you input their username. So let's say your friend is called Jack. You just type out their name here, their Roblox username, and once you have them selected, you write a message. So something like gift for you or happy birthday, whatever it is that you wish to write. And you include the actual gift here. So you click on this option and now you can choose the item that you will be sending. So it doesn't matter what you select, it is going to be added here. It seems like you can only send one at a time, so keep that in mind. After you have selected, you will be able to send it for 20,000 diamonds, so there is going to be a cost, so you just click the send option. Sadly, I don't have enough diamonds on me. You can also just send diamonds, and to do that, you input the amount here, and then you choose the option to send. As I've said before, you will need to pay 20,000 diamonds to actually get this done. So just remember that, and after you have it, you can choose the send option and your friend will be able to receive them. They will walk up towards the mailbox and under the gifts, they will find it here alongside your message. I hope I was able to help you on how to send gifts in Pet Simulator 99. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.